Hello, welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to prove that both expressions displayed on the screen are equivalent. Equivalent expressions look different, but when they're simplified, they actually have the same terms. So to prove that these two expressions are equivalent, I need to simplify both and then compare their terms. To simplify the first expression, 5 minus 4x in parentheses squared minus 4x in parentheses 5 plus 4x, first I need to expand 5 minus 4x in parentheses squared. Then I need to multiply minus 4x by 5 plus 4x in parentheses. In other words, I need to open parentheses and multiply minus 4x by 5 and then multiply it by 4x. As a third step, I need to add all like terms. Like terms are the ones that have the same variable, which is raised to the same power. To simplify the second expression, 5 in parentheses 5 minus 12x, I need to multiply 5 by 5 and then 5 by negative 12x. When I have both simplified expressions, I then going to compare their terms. If the terms are the same, then I'll consider that the expressions are equivalent. Next, I'm going to show how all these steps come together. First, I'm going to expand the left-hand side of this equation. 5 minus 4x in parentheses squared is a binomial square which can be expanded or simplified by using the formula for binomial square. A minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. The number 5 corresponds to the a in the formula, and 4x corresponds to the b in the formula. So when I apply the formula for binomial square, this equals to 5 squared minus 2 times 5 times 4x plus 4x in parentheses squared. Next, I need to open parentheses by multiplying 4x by 5 and then by 4x. Negative 4x multiplied by 5 is minus 20x. And then I have minus 16x squared. Then I need to prove that this equals to 5 times 5, 25, minus 5 times 12x is 60x. When I simplify further, this equals to 25 minus 40x plus 16x squared minus 20x minus 16x squared. And I need to prove that this equals to 25 minus 60x. Next step, I need to add all like terms. Like terms are 16x squared minus 16x squared minus 40x and minus 20x. So when I add these pairs of like terms, 16x squared and minus 16x squared are the same term with opposite signs, therefore they cancel out because their sum equals to 0. And then what I have is 25 minus 40 and 20, 60x. And we can see that it does equal to 25 minus 60x. Both expressions simplify to the same terms, Therefore, they are equivalent. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.